One jet part costs more than a Ferrari. Guess which?
This cockpit setup is worth millions.
What makes the wing the most advanced and costly part?
The landing gear. Underrated, over-engineered, and expensive.
Inside the radar nose cone, tiny space, huge cost. Jet engines. Why a single turbine is a masterpiece.
Multi-million-dollar flight control computers.
Business class seats. Custom, costly, complex.
This small panel controls millions in flight tech. The jet's heart, how core engine modules are made.
Heads-up display. Clear glass, complex tech.
The tail fin, why it's more than a logo carrier.
Engine nacelles. Aerodynamic armor with price tag.
Advanced jet brakes, from lab test to landing.
Jet windows. Every one costs more than you think.
Oxygen systems. Life-saving tech. High cost.
Aircraft lighting. Precision inside and out. The galley. Mini kitchen worth a fortune.
Hydraulic systems. The power behind every wing movement. Jet fuel system. Pipes, sensors, and millions in precision.
In-flight entertainment system. Tech-packed seats.
Avionics racks. The brain center of modern jets.
Autopilot module. Made in lab, trusted in sky.
Why some jet doors cost more than cars. The APU, power plant, before engines start. Ejection-proof seats, built for pilot survival.
Navigation antenna. A pricey piece of global travel.
Environmental control units, keeping air perfect at 40,000 feet. Fire suppression systems, built in, tested under pressure. Why cockpit glass costs more than home windows? Black boxes, tough, precise, expensive. Wireless control systems, fewer wires, higher tech.
Jet tires, heavy-duty rubber, heavy price tag.
Pressure sealing, the invisible defense line.
Cabin walls, custom molds, hidden complexity. Why jet paints cost tens of thousands per aircraft.
The overhead bin, durable and costly. Aircraft floor panels, lightweight, strong,
not cheap. Wiring harness, hundreds of meters, thousands in cost.
Jet lavatory, tight space, top engineering, vacuum system planning, odor control routing, compact build, final cabin module fit.
Flight deck panels, complex core of cockpit.
Tail cone systems, end cap of high-value sensors. Nose wheel steering, small but expensive module.
Wings, winglet. Fuel-saving, engineering-heavy design. Cabin divider walls. Structure meets design.
Why cargo doors cost more than you'd expect?
Crew rest compartments, hidden, high-tech spaces. Emergency lighting, designed to survive anything.
Wi-Fi systems on jets. Satellite link tech in the air.
Engine pylon, holding tons of thrust, throwing, and value.
Behind the cabin pressure sensors. Big price, small parts. Backup systems in jets cost more than you'd think.
Advanced GPS modules, jet navigation's secret weapon.
Anti-ice systems. Invisible, essential, expensive.
Jet beacon lights, flashing red, costing thousands.
High-end insulation, keeping cabin quiet and warm.
Thrust reversers, complex, heavy, critical systems. Wing fuel tanks, shaped for performance and safety.
Jet tail cone houses hidden tech.
Electric brake systems. Stopping power costs millions. Auto throttle systems. Precision engineered control.
Why pilot seats are built like tanks. Storm detection radar. Expensive eye in the sky.
Why wing flaps are engineering marvels. Jet stabilizers, keeping flight smooth, or at a price. The electronic bay, where jet data lives.
Life rafts in aircraft, packed with tech and cost.
Rain repellent systems, advanced chemistry in action.
Cabin humidity controllers, rare and expensive. Flight control yokes, handmade precision instruments.
Jet audio systems, loud, light, luxury. Jet battery packs, backup power with top-tier design.
Emergency slides, inflation tech that saves lives.
Cargo loading systems, smooth and costly. Cockpit foot pedals, compact, high-value components. Nose wheel doors, light, fast, durable.
Ceiling LED arrays. Efficient and expensive.
Reinforced cockpit door, strength with sensors.
Overhead oxygen systems, unseen, expensive lifesavers.
Tail-mounted camera systems, eyes where pilots can't see. Jet decals and branding, built to last, not cheap.
Lavatory vacuums, dirty work, high-tech, pump motor design, waste routing, odor shielding, floor compartment fit. Galley chillers, cold tech under heat stress. Window shades, smarter than they look. Wi-Fi control modules, sky-high connectivity costs. Elevator actuators, small devices that move big parts. Air intake sensors, speed, temperature, precision.
Crew seat modules, compact, ergonomic, high value.
Every seatbelt has a story and a cost.
Fuselage skin panels, wide, light, and pricey.
Evacuation path lights, lining the way, cost included. Cabin climate sensors, small devices for massive comfort. Window reveal trims, small part, high finish cost.
Hidden wiring raceways. Thousands of meters routed with precision.
Jet entry steps, folding, durable, engineered to last. Floor lighting controllers syncing light with flight.
Cockpit document holders, from design to durable. Compact fold design, impact test, custom fit for pilot ergonomics, install behind seat.
Mirror panels and lavatory scales? Yes, they're expensive.
Behind the comm, complex cabin pressure controllers. Jet fuel sensors, microchips with million-dollar precision. Tail camera integration, tiny view, huge detail.
Touchscreen cockpit panels, UI meets durability.
Jet cooling systems, keeping tech at peak performance. Cockpit speaker and alert systems, built for clarity. Jet air filters, small mesh, major cost. Storm detection antennas, high altitude defense. Side stick controllers, fly-by-wire elegance. Structural joining panels, where strength meets stealth.
Wireless seat controllers. More than comfort.
Surveillance module, discret, essentiel, expansive.
Wing load sensors reading real-time stress.
Door locking systems. Fail-proof engineering.
Flight route memory systems. Smart backups.
Jet step lights. Low profile. High tech.
Reinforced bulkheads, hidden structural stars.
Aircraft seals. Every door and panel sealed with precision. Modular galleys. Entire kitchens on rails.
Lightning protection mesh. Unseen armor.
Air stair mechanisms. Folding engineering.
Crash sensors, triggering surveillance systems.
Wi-Fi antennas. Staying connected at 40,000 feet. Baggage scanning sensors. Part of security, part of cost. Heat-resistant tail cones. Built to last. Pilot oxygen system. Regulated, pressurized, expensive.
Camera link taxiing system. High-end driving aid.
Hydraulic lines, more than just tubes.
Cabin air ionizers. Invisible luxury.
Crew intercom. Clear voice tech at cruising altitude.
Tail skid mechanisms. Tiny but tough.
Flight path recorders. Durable data collectors.
Water heaters. Quiet and powerful units. Armrests with built-in control. Elegant engineering.
Touchless lavatory doors. Sensor-driven innovation.
Passenger service units, PSUs, mini control hubs. Build lighting, fan, and call button arrays and integrate them into overhead modules.
Tactile feedback warning systems. Sensing danger. Inertial navigation. Guiding through turbulence. Cockpit blinds. Mechanical precision for glare control. Flush lavatory buttons. Clean design. Complex assembly. Tail beacon system. Final light. First line of safety.
Jet engine data lines. Speed meets stability. Biometric crew entry. Secure and smart.
Underseat life vests. Small packs with big value.
Jet factory testing units, built to verify every step.
Paint layer sealants. Glossy armor against time. Final layer development. Gloss test. Environmental resistance check. Every part costs, but these 5 break the bank.